Hello, YouTube and my fellow friends. I'm just gonna tell you my school day. What I did today. How it felt like it was in school. Started off smooth. Started off smooth with a nice teacher. Yeah. She's good with the mean people. I mean, like, she's not that mean, like, to people. Like, if they do something bad. So, then she explained all the rules. Then, the lunch thing. I'm like, what the heck? They raised it up again, so, by 25 cents, so it's $1.75. What? First off, I think the school's caring about themselves instead of the kids. The school's budget, like, they don't care about us and all that. They just think about the community, but how we feel. There's no, barely any shade in the playground. Oh, sorry, my hair looks messed up in this camera. Okay, and then good time for lunch, but it went fast somehow. And then it just went up smooth. Everybody revealed their other YouTube accounts. Yeah. And yep, that's what we did. And here I am now talking about this. Thank you, this Roro Jovi Productions. Rock on.